Hi, I'm Katie from Katie's House of Comedy. And today we have a very special guest with us. His name is Bob, the construction worker. If you can't really see it too well, it is obviously B-O-B. Bob. Okay, so we're going to bring him out now after a commercial break. And that starts now.
Hi, I'm Bob, the builder. I like to build stuff. I can make just about anything. I build all kinds of buildings and bridges and other things like that. I can build pretty much anything I put my hands to. Just the other day I was building this building and, it was a thunderstorm and, people were getting scared and, well, I wasn't afraid because I'm tough. Yeah. I eat my vegetables and my liverwurst. Not too many people say that. And I worked right through the storm. I got struck by lightning a few times. And one time I even got struck by thunder. Can you believe that? It's true. Okay. It was nice talking to you. See ya.
Hello. So how is Bob? Well, it's interesting how you can't really say anything and you're answering me. But, that wraps up the show for tonight. Okay, bye. I said bye. Okay, bye.